Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And today's question is: a man completes a certain journey in 6 hours. He covers half the distance at speed of 60 km per hour and the remaining half at the speed of 90 km per hour. So what is the distance traveled? So the question is, what is the total distance traveled? Okay, so to solve this type of questions, what we'll do is take d as a total distance. Okay, so suppose this is the total distance which is covered, and he covers half the distance. Okay, half distance at 60 km per hour. So this is 60 km per hour. Okay, and the remaining half at 90 km per hour. So this is 90 km per hour. Okay, this is 9. Now we can take this is the total distance. Okay, so this is total distance, and if this is total distance, then half will be d upon 2, and this will be also d upon 2, because he is traveling half the distance at 60 km and another half at 90 km. So we can write it in this manner. Okay, so now we'll solve the questions. Okay, so now we have got the speed and distance, so through this we can find the time. So now there will be two times, because there will be t1 and there will be t2. I hope you can see it. One second. Yes, so there will be t1 and t2, because for this part we have to remove different time, and for this part we have to remove different time. Okay, so to find t1, what we'll do is, formula for time is distance upon speed. Okay, here also formula for time will be distance upon speed. So when we will further solve it, what we'll get is distance is d upon 2 and speed is 60 km per hour. Okay, here what we'll get is distance is same, d upon 2, and speed is 90 km per hour. This is also kilometer per hour. Now what is given in the question is the total journey is completed in 6 hours. Okay, so what we can assume from here is that t1 plus t2 is equal to 6 hours. t1 plus t2 is equal to 6 hours. This is given in the question, that total journey is completed in 6 hours, and we have assumed that t1 is d2 and t2 is d upon 2 and t1 is also d upon 2. So what we can solve it further is that t1 is d2 upon d upon t upon d upon 2 upon 60, plus t2 is d upon 2, sorry, d upon 2 upon 90, and this will give us 6 hours, right? Okay, so to solve this equation, what we can do is take d upon 2 common outside, because d is present in both the equations. So we'll take d upon 2 outside. So what will remain here is 1 upon 60 plus 1 upon 90. Okay, and this will give us 6. So when we'll solve it, we'll take the LCM of 60 and 90. What we'll get is 180, and 60 will go 3 times and 90 will go 2 times. Okay, so this will give us 6. Now we can directly multiply 2 by 6, because when we'll do cross multiplication, 2 will go that side in multiplication. Okay, so what will remain is d multiplied by 5 upon 80 is equal to 12. You understood, no? 2 will go that side, it will be in multiplication, right? So here what we can do is, it can be written in this way, like 5 upon 180 multiplied by d is equal to 12. So to find the value of d, it will be 5d is equal to 180 multiplied by 12, and when 5 will go this side, it will be in division, right? So when we'll solve the equation, it will give us 1 za 3 za 15, remains 3, so 6 za and 36 multiplied by 12. So 36 multiplied by 12 is 432. Okay, 36 multiplied by 12 is 432. Okay, so our answer is 432 is the total distance traveled. Okay, thank you guys. If you have understood, do consider subscribing.